Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic rear bumper. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, a Phillips head screwdriver, and plastic trim removal tools. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, stable surface. It's also a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any electrical work. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's get that old bumper off. Begin by locating and removing all the screws and plastic clips that hold the bumper in place, often found in the wheel wells and under the vehicle. Gently pull the bumper away from the fender liners and side mounting brackets. Remember to carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for tail lights, license plate lights, or parking sensors before fully removing the bumper. With the old bumper removed, it's time to prepare your new one. First, thoroughly inspect the new bumper for any shipping damage or manufacturing flaws. You'll need to transfer certain components, such as the license plate lights or any sensors, from your old bumper to the new one. Make sure all the mounting points and clips on the new bumper align perfectly with your vehicle's chassis for a seamless fit. Finally, let's install your new bumper. Carefully align the new bumper with the vehicle's mounting points and gently push it into place. Reconnect all the electrical connectors for your lights and sensors, ensuring they click securely. Then, reinstall all the screws and plastic clips you removed earlier, making sure everything is snug and tight. Double-check all connections and the bumper's fit before you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.